Hello children, in today's class we are continuing the multiple choice questions from chapter Geometry. Coming to the first question for today, that is question number 19. Observe the given figure. What is the radius of a circle whose diameter is 14 centimeters? Now what are they saying here children? For the given circle, we already know that the diameter is equal to 14 centimeters. What is the diameter in this given figure? BC. Yes, both the endpoints are on the circle and it is passing through the center of the circle. So here the diameter BC is of length 14 centimeters. And then coming to the radius of the circle, D is already given. We have to find out the radius. Now if you remember from the class, what is the relationship between diameter and radius? We know that radius, when diameter is already known, radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. When diameter is already known, then the radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. Yes, so in this question, what is the diameter? 14 centimeters. So what will be the radius? 14 divided by 2, that is equal to 7 centimeters. Again in the question, the unit of measurement is centimeters. Diameter is given in centimeters. So the radius is also to be written in centimeters. Is this clear children? So what is our final answer for this question? 7 centimeters. That is option C. It is a very simple question. Diameter is already given and we have to find out the radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is nothing but 14. That is nothing but 14 divided by 2. That is equal to 7 centimeters. Now coming to question 20. The diameter of a circle is doubled. Now how does its radius change? Will the radius become triple? Triple means 3 times. Next, will the radius become half? Or will the radius become the same or remains the same, or will the radius double? Now what is the question here? The diameter of a circle is doubled. Doubled means multiplied by 2. For example, if you take the previous question only, for example, the diameter was 14 centimeters and the radius was 7 centimeters. We found out. Now if we double the diameter, that is 14 multiplied by 2 will be equal to 28 centimeters. Now our new diameter is how much children? It is 28 centimeters. Now what will be the radius for the diameter 28? Diameter is equal to 28. Radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is 28 divided by 2. When we divide, 2 ones are 2. When we subtract, 0 is remaining. 8 brought down. 2 fours are 8. When we subtract, 0 is our remainder. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is 14. That is nothing but radius is equal to 14 centimeters. Understood? What is our new radius? 14 centimeters. Radius is equal to 14 centimeters. Now if you compare the diameters and the radius. First the diameter was 14 and the radius was 7. Now what did we do? We multiplied the diameter by 2. When we multiplied, the diameter became 28 centimeters. Now what is our new radius? Our new radius is 14 centimeters. Now is this the same as the previous radius, or it is doubled, or is it tripled? What happened here? Again, when we doubled the diameter, that is when we multiplied the diameter by 2, the radius also doubled. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. When the diameter of a circle is doubled, then the radius is also doubled. What did we prove from this? When the diameter doubles, the radius also doubles. Understood children? So like this, when you have such a question, what will be the correct answer? Option D, doubles. Doubles is nothing but multiplied by 2. So the radius and diameter, again if the diameter is tripled, that is multiplied by 3, then the radius will also be tripled. if the diameter is reduced by half, then the radius is will also be reduced by half. So this is how we can prove that when a diameter of circle is double, the radius also doubles. Option. Next, question number 22. Arrange the shapes given in the following questions in their increasing size. Now this is very easy, right children? By just looking at